Hello friends, welcome to my vlog again, weekend vlog. Okay, so I'll just give you a brief. Yes, last time का vlog ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं था because I wasn't well as I said in my last clip. तो मेरा Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday ऐसे ही गया. Like when you have cold, it goes like 3 to 4 days to cure it. So मेरा 3 to 4 days उसी में गया. And yes, I have followed a proper oats diet but not 100%. But yes, थोड़ा बहुत I tried to follow. And yes, I thought to make a separate video of that, but since I wasn't able to follow it 100%, I don't think so I will make a video. But yes, I will definitely attempt a new one, like try to make a new video related that and yes, try it out. But if you ask me, yes, I have lost like 1 kg. So yes, that was it, overview of my week. And now again, today is Saturday. From morning, this is Saturday noon. From morning I woke up and yes, as usual, I would just clean my room, my table and everything. You can see these boxes, वो भैया जी आके लेके गए. Yes, there was so much mess. And उसके बाद I went with my mom to buy few things, like beauty shop गए since it was raining and हम लोग एक्टिवा से गए थे, so it got mess up. So थोड़ा बहुत ही vlog किया है, ज़्यादा vlog नहीं किया है. So I went and bought this 2 nail pens because मुझे ये Amazon पे नहीं मिला था. So I had to take from outside, buy from outside. So yes, top coat and base coat नहीं मिला, बाकी gel polish and वो सब. I have made a separate video of that. You can check that out. Like yes, like I will be shooting today, but जब तक मैं ये वीडियो अपलोड कर रही हूँ तब तक डेफिनेटली वो अपलोड हो चुका हो रहेगा. तो लिंक गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, यू कैन डेफिनेटली चेक आउट. तो आई डोंट नो हाउ द वीडियो विल टर्न आउट, आई जस्ट शूट द वीडियो. एंड येस, बस यही प्लान है. टुमारो माई कजिन्स आर कमिंग फॉर रक्षाबंधन. येस, आई नो नेक्स्ट वीक रक्षाबंधन इज देयर, बट नेक्स्ट वीक आई एम गोइंग गुजरात. सो येस, सिंस देयर इज़ 15th August एंड काफ़ी छुट्टी है, तो या. So this week my bua is coming and we have planned a Rakshabandhan celebration tomorrow. And मेरे cousins जो है, they went Dubai, तभी हम लोग ने celebrate कर लिया था. तो I'll just put the pictures over here on the screen, you can check that. And yeah, as such तो कोई plan नहीं है आज. तो I want the day to be very productive, but it's already like 2 o'clock and as such मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है. But now I'll just start with the shoot and then even edit it. Like I feel I am being very inconsistent on uploads. So yes, बहुत बक बक कर दिया है. And yeah, I'll just get back to you after some time. देखते हैं how day goes. And now I am like good, एकदम 100% ठीक नहीं हुआ है, but yes, very very much better. Like 2 nights I haven't slept due to that cold. And yes, सर्दी होती है, बहुत ख़राब चीज़ होती है यार. अगर आपको ऐसा हुआ है, do let me know in the comment section your story behind it. And just take care of yourself. Like season is changing and viral fevers, viral सब बहुत कुछ है आसपास. Just take care of yourself. Yeah. Okay guys, you can see the mess over here and ये सब दिख रहा है. ये सब like I have to clean all of these things and it's already like 6 to 6:30 and I am like exhausted. You can see पूरा makeup भी क्या हाल हुआ है. But the nails are looking beautiful. I just liked it. Okay, now ये सब clean तो करना है. I am planning कि देखते हैं क्या खाओ क्या पीऊँ, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है, पहले तो ये रिंग लाइट ना बंद कर देते. बहुत आईज़ में लाइट आ रहा है यार, मतलब यू वोंट अंडरस्टैंड. ओके, लेट्स मेक अ कॉफ़ी, लेट्स क्लीन ऑल दिस. देन फिर नीचे जाना है, लाइक मंदिर जाना है. Yes, I go every day. Like Derasar, I go every day. It's important. It's must. Yes, तो आज सैटरडे था तो सुबह नहीं गई थी, तो I have to go it now. I have to go now. After that, maybe we'll have dinner and then sleep maybe. Okay, let's make coffee फटाफट चलो. Okay guys, ये डब्बा खुल ही नहीं रहा है यार, क्या करूँ मैं. I want to have this यार. This is from Ray, जिसका सेपरेट वीडियो मैंने किया है ऑलरेडी, पर ये खुल नहीं रहा है यार. ये मग में मैंने रेडी करके रखा. Okay guys, वो कॉफ़ी का खुल नहीं रहा है. So till that time I'll just clean all these things and I'll do that. मेरा भाई आ जाएगा and he will help me with opening that jar. Hopefully, let's see. Okay, so my brother has opened this and kept over here. How smart of him. इसमें क्या smart, बस मेरे से open नहीं हो रहा है, वही है. सो ट्राइंग वनीला एसेंस. मैंने बहुत सारी ऐसे वीडियोस देखे हैं, वो लोग वनीला एसेंस डालते हैं. लेट्स सी. ये भी ओपन नहीं हो रहा है यार, भाई के पास जाना पड़ेगा. वाह, स्मेल इज अमेजिंग. I'll just remove my makeup and do my skincare. So yes, last weekend I talked about it, like one full week I will follow a skincare routine and drink that jeera water. Yes, so I haven't missed any single day, like having no jeera water. Arey, just hold on. Okay, so I have had jeera water every day and I can see amazing results on my skin. I'll just remove my makeup quickly and you can see my skin without any makeup or anything. So I'll just be back. Yeah. Okay, so if you guys don't know, this is amazing. Like, yes, it works very nicely. And if you guys are wondering those hangers, because बारिश हो रही है, कपड़े घर में सुखाने पड़ते हैं, तो I hope you guys don't mind and सबके घर पे यही चीज़ रहेगा. Okay, before that. Okay, so before applying any of the night care product, I would like to show you my skin. So I hope you can see my skin. Like nothing, कुछ भी नहीं लगाया अभी. I was about to apply the toner, but before that you can see the skin is glowing. So yeah. Okay guys, so done with my skincare as well. It's almost like, wait, let me check what's the time. It's 9:11. Yeah, so I would like, so now the plan is that we four of us are going to sit and watch movies. Since it's Saturday night, just have fun. कोई तो गुज्जू movie है, so we'll just sit and watch that. Hold on, let me close the door. Okay, so after watching that I might sleep, or while watching I might take these today's shoot clips and just arrange them or just copy them in my hard disk, and I'll do little that stuffs and might sleep, have jeera water and then sleep. So see you tomorrow, or if I'll do something I'll just put few clips here and there. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Yeah, today's day was quite productive. I am happy with my day. Yes, now let's see. Tomorrow cousins are coming and I'm very happy. Yo, see you tomorrow. Okay, good morning guys. So we have cousins coming over here. So mom is making halwa and I made a coffee. Yes, you can see the foam. Okay, so you can see the foam. I've made an attempt to make a heart, पर वो ना बना नहीं है, पर थोड़ा बहुत तो बना है ऐसा लग रहा है. So yes, yo. Okay guys, so was helping my mom, and ये bottle, like copper bottle, this is so cute, small bottle which I have got yesterday from beauty shop, and yes, it's 250 ml, so it's very cute. I have ordered more bottles like copper bottles, printed ones from online. Once I get, I'll update on Instagram or maybe on my next vlog. You can just subscribe for that. And yes, so yeah, that's all. फिर I'll take bath and just get ready, follow a skincare and somewhat do that. But before that, we'll help mom. Yeah. See guys, this is rabdi, this is halwa. हलवे के ऊपर डालने के लिए. Once it is served, I'll show you. Like बहुत अच्छे से प्लान किया हम लोग ने. My mom is chef, है ना मम्मी? Hi. ये दूधी का हलवा है. Yes. Okay guys, before taking bath, like almost everything is done. It's already like 11:30, 12 o'clock. I'll just apply this face mask from Mama Earth. दिख रहा है कि नहीं? See, almost खाली हो गया है. I'll just apply this on my face and then go for bath. Yeah. Okay guys, so done with bath, and yes, I haven't combed my hair and was helping mom, so ये बनाया है. Wait, I'll show you. Like this is awesome. So you can see नीचे रोज सिरप है. यहाँ पे अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा है, lighting problem I guess. Yes, हाँ. See, there is a rose syrup, halwa, and ऊपर rabdi and dry fruits. So yep, this is looking superb. I just loved it. Okay guys, so starting with this pieces, like just to decorate the pieces, and you can see तारक मेहता in background. हमारे घर पे पूरा दिन तारक मेहता ही चलता है. Okay, I'll just do this and get back. Okay guys, so I thought I'll just get done with editing. Like cousins को time है आने के लिए, like they might come after half an hour, 1 hour. So till that time I'll just do the editing stuffs, and yeah, we'll just finish with works. Shooting बहुत कुछ हो गया है, editing के लिए time नहीं है, so I'll just sit and edit. Yeah, usually I don't work on Saturday, Sunday, but अभी ना लास्ट वीक आई वॉजेंट वेल एंड वर्कलोड भी ज़्यादा है, सो आई थॉट लाइक इट्स ओके, लाइक सैटरडे संडे थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा वर्क कर ही लेते हैं. सो या, आई जस्ट डू दैट. Okay guys, so everyone have went and it's almost like 12:15, having jeera water, and then I'll just be off to sleep, follow my skincare, and yeah. So I hope this vlog was interesting. You guys enjoyed watching this, and do hit like to this video and do subscribe to my channel to see my further vlogs, further videos, and many more things. Do let me know in the comment section what else you would like to see. Yeah, that was all for today. Bye bye. See you in next video.